Hi there, this is. Should I tell my name? Because you guys know me, right? Okay, stay. Hi there, I am Subhodeep, and in this video, I'm going to show you the assignment 2. It is completely based on conditionals, the concept of conditionals. You know, if else, elif else, all those stuffs. Okay, so the assignment is relatively complex from the previous one, but I would say it is quite interesting. I'm not gonna give you all those boring stuffs where you just code it out because I have given you question, but you will code it out because you will love it. Okay, it's very interesting. So let's just get into it. I have already written the code, but I am really sorry I won't be able to show you it right now. And I just want to note a few things. Okay, there are very small things which I didn't show you yet. Okay, your task is to examine it, is to understand it with the help of Google, with the help of the internet. Okay, because when you reach to a certain level, there will be no one to teach you. You will be your only teacher, and your reference will be the internet. Okay, so you need to make it a habit. It's very few things I haven't shown you, and intentionally I did that intentionally. And now your task is to search Google or whatever search engine you like. You may like Yahoo, but it's not a popular option nowadays. So you may search the web for those small things if you can notice it. Because if you cannot, do not worry. In the next video, I'm there to show you. Okay, so do not worry. So now let's get started. So let's run the program. Okay. So the program is ready, and I still remember the path, I guess. So let's start it. So again, you guys know how to run a program, right? Let's press Windows plus R to open run and type cmd. Okay. Now you have to tell the computer that you want to execute a script or a program. But how will the computer able to execute it if it does not know how to execute it? Because that is the most important thing. Okay. So you must tell the computer how to execute it. And which program can execute a Python program? If you guessed Python interpreter, you're right. Okay, so the Python interpreter is the only program which can execute a Python program. So first, tell the computer that, hey computer, you need Python interpreter in order to execute the program. Now, give the absolute path towards something. Python, and it was example. Okay, yeah. So this is the absolute path. This is the absolute path. And why is it absolute path? So basically you want to run this thing, example.py. This is your program. But the computer does not know where it resides or where it is in the computer, because a computer has lots of memory, lots of things inside computer. So the computer cannot identify just by using this name. So it needs the total address. Like if somebody asks you address, so you would tell, okay, I live in this country. Then you would say I live in this state. Then then maybe you will say I live in this district. Then maybe city, and then finally your locality, then your street name, and finally your home. And this is your home. Okay, this is what you want to execute. Just like in your address, people want to go to your home. Okay, and this is your home. This is your city, and this is your country. Okay, and how to go there? By ship, by train, using the Python interpreter. Okay, this is the thing. This py means Python interpreter. So let's run it. It will take some time, I guess. Okay, so the program starts with welcome to Py-Volution restaurant. Okay, yeah, I think I am gonna convert the class into a restaurant. Jokes apart. So this is how the program begins. these things over there, okay, these are also little bit of tricks. These are also little bit of tricks. And what tricks? I'll show you in the next video. So the program starts and says you can choose between eggs which costs rupees 6, beer which costs rupees 100, and coffee which costs rupees 35. And this rupees, this is Indian currency, okay? I'm from India, so I just used rupees. You are free to use dollar or euro or whatever your currency is. I just used rupees because it is convenient. That's why. So let's say, okay, one another thing. You can choose between eggs, beer, coffee. You can order multiple things. You can order single things. You can order two things. You can order whatever. Okay, there's no limitation. I can do this 1 2 3. Okay, I need all of three, or I can say 3 2 1. I need all of them. Let's say I need 1 and 2. I can say 2 and 1. I can say 3 and 2. Whatever, I can do whatever I want. Okay, so let's say I want 1 2 as well as 3. So the first choice is eggs, so that's why it is showing how many eggs do you want. So I love eggs. Okay, I need 15 eggs. So it shows you got 10% discount for buying more than 10 eggs. So that means if you buy more than 10 eggs, you will get 10% discount. Okay, you will get 10% discount on the total product. That is for every egg, you will get discount on rupees 6. Okay, you have selected for beer because we have given this 2 and 2 is for this one, beer. So it will ask, what is your age? Let's say I am 15. This is not my real age, okay? I am 19. Anyways, what's your age? Let's say 15. See, you are not yet eligible for buying alcoholic drinks. Oh my god. I guess the same rule applies for everywhere, right? Because uh, only if you are over 18 you can buy alcoholic drinks. Else you are not legally allowed, okay? So finally, since I had given 3, that is coffee, okay, now it would ask me how many total coffee do you want. Let's say I want 5 cups of coffee. Yeah, I love caffeine. So now it will ask, what do you want, black coffee or cappuccino? So let's say you want black coffee, you will have to enter 1, or for cappuccino you will have to enter 2. Now here is the thing, if you enter black coffee plus 5 to the base price, that means 5 plus 35, the cost of the coffee will be 40 rupees. Okay, the cost of the coffee will be 40 rupees. This is the base price, and adding a flavor will add the cost, right? For example, here if you select black coffee, it will add 5 rupees to rupees 35. Now if you select cappuccino, it will add rupees 10 to the base price, that is 35. Now it will become 45. So if I enter let's say I want cappuccino, I'm rich, okay, I'm kidding, I'm rich. So let's say enter. See this line, you got 5% discount for buying more than 3 cups of coffee. So that means if you buy more than 3 cups of coffee, you will get a 5% discount for every cup of coffee. And the total cost is rupees 315. Total discount is 20 rupees, or you can say 20.25. And the grand total is 294.7. That means this is the total cost. That means without deducting the discount money, okay, and this is the discount money. And when you actually subtract this thing from this thing, the amount you will actually have to pay is this thing, grand total. This is the amount you have to pay. So let's run it again. Let's run it. Okay, this time I'll go for 3 2 1. Again the same thing happens. Okay, how many eggs do you want? I want again, let's say I want only 2 eggs, so I do not get any discount. What is your age? So my real age is 19, so I am 1 year ahead. So you are eligible for buying alcoholic drinks. Thank God, thank you so much. How many beer bottles do you want? Oops. Sorry. Let's go back. Yeah. How many beer bottles do you want? Let's say I want 5 bottles. Okay. I bought it. Now finally, how many total coffee do you want? I need 1 coffee. So as you can see, there is no discount applied here because condition are not met. For eggs, you have to buy more than 10. For beer, there is a certain amount, and for coffee, there is again a certain quantity. So let's say I want 2. Okay. So I got 0 discount. Okay. The total, that means the price you have to pay is same that the price, I mean the actual price. Okay. This is the total cost you had to pay. This is a discount, that means you got no discount. Bad luck, better luck next time. And after deducting 0 from 557, yes, you are right, you get 557 only. Now let's run it again. Now let's say I want 321, or let's say 32, okay, 231, whatever. The same thing happens every time. Do you notice it? Let's say I want 50 eggs, and let's say okay, my age is 19, and let's say I buy 10 beer bottles, and let's say okay, in the beer bottles, as you can see, you got 20% discount for buying more than 5 beer bottles. So 5 beer, if you buy more than 5 beers, you will get 20% discount. So how many total coffee do you want? Let's say I need 10 coffee. I need black coffee. So here you go. Total cost 1,700. Total discount 250. And after deducting 250 from this 1,700, you get 1,450. Now let's run this again, because there's one thing I didn't show you. Let's say you want 098, or let's say 097, whatever. See, invalid order. Your total cost is 0, your total discount is 0, and your grand total is 0 because you haven't ordered anything that is available in the shop. Okay. So that's how it works. I hope you guys will be able to do it on your own. And if you cannot somehow, do not worry, because tomorrow I'll show the assignment, how to complete it. So this is it, and I guess okay. Let's run again. So if I put 1 and 2, or 2 1, so it will only ask me for the options that I have selected. Okay, not more than that. Let's say I need 10 eggs, and let's say my age is 19 and I need 1 beer. Okay, so the total cost is 160 and the grand total is 160. But did you notice I gave 2, I gave 1? That's why it didn't ask for coffee, because I haven't entered the option, right? So I can do whatever I want to. Okay, so that's how it works. Now okay, let the camera open. Yeah, now before solving it, let me tell you, comments are very important, because Python is a language which whose main purpose is to be human readable. That is the main essence of Python. So make sure you write comments, you make that more human readable, so that anyone can read your code and understand what's going on inside. Okay, you must write comments, you must rename the variables in a meaningful way. Let's say total employees, let's say actual price, let's say total price. You must rename your variables in a meaningful way. So I guess that's it, and please try it on your own, and I am sure you will learn a lot from it. Okay, till then, bye, goodbye, namaste.